Hello, good evening. This is Jason Wong, and I thanks for that how you call the appreciation note from the reader about the TRB Asia, and a couple of stock which I pick, and which is having a very good rally for this couple of days, and I'm happy to hear you guys make money, and I also have a request from my reader to go into a little bit kind of detail how I'm going to do the analysis. I like to use this Ocncash, right, as an example to do the technical analysis sharing. Okay, so first of all, I think use that big picture, right, meaning like looking at the big trend, right, how the stock trend is moving. First of all, you look at this, right? You can see very clear, right? This stock is keep on building the higher high, okay, and the lower high, okay, and the reason there is some sort like breaking away from that we call that downtrend trend line. So what does it mean here is like this indication, right? That collection is over, okay, and that rally going to resume, okay, after break away from this downtrend trend line. And I also using a different type of approach to do the analysis. Just for instance, like yellow wave, right? You look at here, right? It's I think it's pretty clear. We can see there's some sort like how you call that wave to count one two, right, and then we have the three and four, right, and this is five. Okay, this is A, right, and B and C, and C after ended with like kind of like forming the uptrend trend line. With this, right, um, what does it mean here is like we form another wave one and here, and it's a tree is coming and on the way of making. Okay, now given this scenario, right, I think one thing I like this stock is like it's forming the kind of like a new train is born. Okay, what does it mean? This is one here, and two is here, and three is on the way of making. Okay, look at here. I think we should catch all this stock because of this is kind of confirmation by breaking away from this. Okay, and the way three is heading to test on this likely. Let me check what is the price level here. Is like 50 cent. I think this stock going to just matter of time. I would say it's a pretty in short time period, right? It should go to test of 50 cent because of the way trade pattern is out, right? This is a tree. Okay, and this is elite wave, and on top of that, I also use the chart pattern, right? You give me a minute. Let me draw you a chart pattern. Now, chart pattern wise, right? You look at here. Let me delete. Takes some time to delete it. Please bear with me. Right now, you look at here that the inverter head and shoulder. One of very reliable trading method which I use is inverter head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. This is head, and this is the left shoulder. And on the way of bakering out, no, in fact, it's tested here. This is the left shoulder. Okay, now this is the left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And as long as it's a concern is how far it can go, how far it can go, like I think is when we should go to consider to pay attention to log partial profit, like either like full profit. Looking here, okay, the big trend, as I'm saying, right, that big trend going to be like wave 3 target minimum is a 59 cent, right, to 75 cent. You look at the shorter term, right, I would say depend on which who you are, on what type of a trader you are or investor. And mid-term or short-term trading, I would say is a 49 cent toward like a 56 cent. And please find me. I think I like this stock is because I use a very different type of approach to do the trading, right? And this is quite reliable kind of method, which we should write on the rally. Okay, thank you very much to listen to me. Thank you. Hi, thanks for watching my video. If you would like to have first-hand information, so I'm suggesting you to like my Facebook, okay, by clicking a like on, then followed by enable this following mode, right, which is from to see first, right, click on the see first. Normally you can see original is default, but you can click to the see first, and the notification, right, you click on it instead of all on or off, right, you click to all on. So on top of that, I have a couple of avenue for you to get my update, right. For instance, just like what I'm saying just now, you can search a KLC technical analysis, right. Can lie on us, right, enable the see first, then to enable all on, okay. And if you are in a mobile phone, right, basically you can click like and followed by following, change from the default, right, to see first, right. So click on the see first. And I also create the avenue in the YouTube because of Facebook sometimes that video not that clear, so that you can follow my YouTube by subscribe, and also by clicking the turn on subscription, so that whenever I release a YouTube, you can have the information. Thank you.